Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Crofts Hill towards Kellits, Clarendon Parish. We are driving on the Crofts Hill to Kellits Road. Entering Kellits. On the left is Seven Ground Church of God of Prophecy, and the road on the left will take you into Seven Ground District. The sign on the right reads, "Welcome to Kellits." On the left is Francistown Road. Entering Kellits Town. The Crofts Hill to Kellits Road ends, and the road on the right is the Kellits to Pedro River Road, and that road will take you to the Kellits Parish Library, Good Hope, Fort George and Pedro River, as well as into St Ann Parish to places such as Gladsmuir, Bensonton, Waltham, Drumilly, Edinburgh Castle, York Castle, Browns Valley, Alderton, Claremont, St Anne's Bay and Ocho Rios. We are now driving on the sandy river to Kellits Road. The road on the left will take you to Kellits Primary School and also to Kellits Health Centre. On the left is Born Again Shiloh Apostolic Church. On the left is Kupuis to Kellits Road, and that road will take you to the Kellits Market, to Frienship, Morgan's Valley, Morgan's Pass, Kupuis and other places. The road on the left will take you to Grace Baptist Church and Kellits High School. On the left is Kellits Church of God in Jamaica. The sign on the left reads, "You are leaving Kellits." On the left is Miracle Cathedral New Testament Church of God. Entering Shooter. The sign on the left indicates turn right to Cowley and Douglas Castle. Continue straight to Cave Valley, Frankfield, Chapperton and Maypen. On the right is the Mason River to Shooter Road, and that road will take you to the Kellits Seventh-day Adventist Church, to Cowley, Macknie, Mason River, where you can find Mason River Nature Reserve, to Douglas Castle and other places. A few meters to the right, you can find Warwickshire Cave, Taylor's Cave, Riverhead Cave and Macknie Caves. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.